Welcome back, you guys. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Kitbull, or the Pitbull from Kitbull. And a lot of people have requested me to draw this Pitbull character alongside with the stray cat from Kitbull as well. So let's go hop into the drawing screen so I can show you how it's magically made. Okay, guys, to begin drawing the dog from Kitbull, let's start with the head shape first, and then we'll proceed on to drawing the shape of the body and finish it with the legs and arms and stuff. So let's go ahead and begin with the rounded forehead shape of the dog. So I'm gonna go like this. Hold on a second. Like this. Brush needs to be smaller. Like that. And that's just gonna be the forehead eyebrow piece. And then we're gonna draw the top of his head and the two little ears that kind of curl out from the top of the headline. And then the other ear that curls out this way. And then we're going to draw the side of his face. And then his mouth. And he has a nice full front part of the mouth. Makes drawing a pit bull looking dog that much easier. Then we're going to draw the facial features. So I'm going to start with two upside down smiles, I guess you say, for the shapes of the eyes. And I'm going to go in right here and draw the pupils, or the pupils and iris. Then we're going to draw his nose, big wide long nose, and the nostrils. It's coming out real nice. Then we're going to draw some of his scars that he had when he was abused in the episode. So like, we're going to draw two of them right here above the nose, one across his forehead, and then one on the side of his face like this. Then we're going to draw his body. And so we're going to start with the chest first, because I always find drawing the chest of an animal in like a 3/4 view a lot easier. So it helps me envision how I want, like the arms and the legs to be. But let's draw this big puffed out chest area right here. And then I'm going to follow along with a line that kind of shapes the back of his neck and his back. And that's going to come into like a downwards point right here. And then we're going to go shift our attention to the front again. And we're going to start drawing his forelegs. So we're going to start with a long line like this. Kind of curved line like this. Make it come down like that. And then we're going to draw his paws. So this is the middle part of the paw, the middle paw finger, I guess you call it. And then the paw finger that's on the side of that one. So we're going to come over here. Line it up with that middle finger. And then draw the third one that is closest or most visible to the viewer. Like that. See how I did that? It's pretty easy. If you practice the way that you draw paws from a 3/4 view, it gets easier the more you draw it. Then let's do the other one. And I'm going to erase some of this right here just so I can make a middle paw line. Oops. Like that. See how I did that? That's going to be the middle paw finger. So come in over here, right where this line ended at the top. I'm going to bring it down to form the middle paw finger. And then the last one, just like that. In case you don't know, these little bumps that I drew underneath the paws is the nails. Because dogs' nails are visible. They're not like cats where the nail retracts into the cat's, paw fingers or whatever. So we're going to pull this line up more to form the full length of that forearm. Then we're going to add a little crease right here. And then we're going to draw the rest of his belly and chest, which comes in like this. And then the back side, like that. I'm going to draw his leg that's kind of coiled up, where he's resting on his hind leg. Like that. Not much to draw here. Very simple. Come under here with a line that connects his belly and legs. And then another line right here that forms the other side of the leg. And then lastly, we're going to come over here and draw a long, well, not long, but like a shortish tail. Yeah, it's like a short tail. average dog tail length. And there you have it. And I think I'm going to add... I totally forgot about drawing his scars that's on his body. So we're going to draw the scars on his body because I totally forgot about that. And I think there's some right here. And let me go look at a reference because I totally forgot where they are. Let's see. I think I put them in the right spot. Nope. There's... Alright, so there's not 3. There's just one long one. One long scar right here. And there's 2 on his behind, like this. And then there's 2 of them on his paw area. And yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the stray cat video. And that concludes the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, click the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to hit subscribe. If you didn't find this drawing video helpful, be sure to go to DrawingHUB.com where you get the step-by-step drawing tutorial video, which is provided in the description below. So be sure to check that out. It's awesome stuff. You can learn how to draw pretty much anything like Fortnite characters and pop culture characters. I also draw live right here on YouTube and also on Twitch TV on the weekdays from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Usually, though, I'm streaming around 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you want to watch awesome art being drawn, hit me up on the YouTube live stream. Thanks so much for viewing, guys, and I hope you stay tuned for other videos.